Alden Richard update. Congrats kay Alden. And may award si Alden. Sa Red Carpet Hall of Fame awardees. And isa siya doon. And congrats kay Alden. Just sa GMA Gala 2024.
Hall of Fame awardee, favorite. Of course, we have none other than Mr. Alden Richard.
Si Alden.
Congratulations! Ayan. Okay, look at that. There is so much to know.
All the time.
Gold, yung black and gold. And syempre, with the dimples, diba? Ito talaga. Ayan yun. Matchy, with the trophy. Perfect to be, diba? Diba? Parang ano? Parang they're ready to show you.
Marco Bangista. Halo din dyan.
Don't think about it. Next Thank you, Mr. Alden Richard. Give you a big round of applause. Next Hall of Fame awardee is none other than the guy who joined us at the start of the program, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes.
Ang gwapo ni Alden sa kanyang outfit. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para update na po ang Victor Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.